So in another video on the channel, Russ and I went out on the street trying out Leica, Nikon and iPhone cameras, just comparing those three, showing the photos that just came straight out of the camera without any editing. Then I just wanted to do this as a separate video, just concentrating on the Leica photos and showing a few more of them, both straight out of the camera and after sort of a quick 1 to 2 minute edit. Anyway, let me know what you think. While I'm walking around at the moment, I'm using I'm going to use the Leica in a sort of a zone focusing mode where it's f8, 1/500 shutter speed, but then use the hyperfocal markers on the lens to put infinity against the 8, so that then anything between just less than 2 meters and infinity should be in focus. I haven't got to worry about autofocus.